Hey everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Creations, and today I just want to show you this little piece right here. So a lot of people are making their cars look fancy, but then the mirror caps are so hard to do. Well, I am going to go ahead and show you today how to wrap these mirror caps without doing inlays, even with these little ridges right here, and turn it into this. No inlay, no inlay. One whole piece. Now, if you like this and it helped you, give us a like and subscribe because we need to get monetized so we can get some sponsors to make nicer cars. All right, let's go wrap this mirror. So we did a one-piece mirror here, wrap. This is a very difficult mirror to do. A lot of people are showing online that they do an inlay here and then they wrap around it. We did not do an inlay. That's all one wrap. There's no cuts in this. And all these ridges on this BMW E46, very difficult. I thought it was easy. I wrapped this while I was watching TV and I just took my time and I just do a little bit at a time. I did each one. I did take the cap off because you can't tuck it unless you get the cap off. So I wrapped it the first time, didn't come out too well, so I had to wrap it over again. But it looks beautiful, right? A lot of people have the carbon fiber, but since we have a carbon fiber hood and carbon fiber trim, I didn't want to go carbon fiber with this and just have too much, you know? So if you want to learn how to do this stuff, follow us on our journey. This is the Disturbing BMW. We're going to bring the next car in, the Porsche, and we're going to wrap all over again. We're going to do that one green. So hit us up with a like and a subscribe if you like our work. Very talented to do this just with one piece, no inlays. I don't see any of the big guys doing this, you know?
I'm going to do this mirror here.
Okay, now that I have like the back of the mirror done and this body crease and there's nothing there, I didn't have to heat it yet. Now I can start going around these edges. So the first thing I want to do is I want to do the hardest one first. So I can stretch this and pull it around. I can stretch this and pull it around. I can stretch this, pull it around. But this has an S curve in it, a backwards S curve, and a dip. So I'm gonna work this. I'm gonna pull this piece down and fold this first. If everything goes out great, then we're gonna do these ridges up top here and pull that over as well. Then the rest should just fall in line. I don't want to waste my time doing all these nice easy edges around here and then I get here and then I rip it or something trying to get down in this divot. So okay. You just want to try to not have an inlay here. So you just gotta heat, do it, heat, do it. Just gotta keep going over it, you know. So I'm just stretching it right now to Oh, my gun almost fell. I'm just stretching it right now. Almost there, we're almost there. Put a relief cut right here. So I can pull this piece. Pull this piece this way. And then we could pull this piece this way. You see how it's split right there for the relief cut? All right.
I just gotta fix it right here, and then right here, and do this bottom edge. Huh? Ow! Yeah, it's got these little pinchies in here. Keep getting me.
We're almost done. Gotta pull back a little bit, heat these wrinkles here, and put this little tuck over.